So many new faces to the family. Welcome, we appreciate you all. This is a all-accepted community, and we just love everyone, and we're really happy for you all to be here. Me and my crew here, we got Bo, Kaylin, Jesse. Now slowly crawling your fingers to the left side. Placing your right hand on top of your left. Creating that space. Breathe out. To a tabletop position. Placing your palms right underneath your shoulders. Spread your fingers out nice and wide. Your wrists. Maybe you extend one leg back and stretch through your toes. Maybe you do circle rolls with your neck. Maybe you sink your hips back towards your heels and then bring it forward and then switch direction. Bring both your knees to your chest. Bring your forehead up to meet your knees. Wrap your forearms around your shins. Reach for opposite elbows. Give yourself the biggest squeeze you ever gave yourself. If you fart, that's okay. And just open up your feet guys. Sorry. Face down on that. Perfect. Lift your right heel high. Inhale a little bit more. Loudest open mouth. One more loud. One more. Let's hear that roar. Inhale. A little bit more. Let it go. Down through your left foot. Inhale. Exhale. Put your hand up slowly. Lower down onto your knee. Keeping your knees together. Slowly start to lift your hands up. Pull your knees down to the outside of your wrist.
With each breath, accepted it's a change. You can have a day.
Inhale. Stay for the exhale. One more time, inhale.
Better days of the sky will break.
If you fart, that's okay. I just open up your feet, guys. Inhale, squeeze a little tighter.
Excuse me, ma'am, is your Kundalini activated?
Like typically, look activated. Do they look activated?
How was your yoga session?
It was fabulous. I feel cleansed and cleared and open for the day.
All right. Cleansed and cleared, open. How about you, sir?
I feel great. That was a perfect start to my LIV experience.
Nice.
Dino's the best.
Aside from the fact that he's a cuck, he's a great yoga instructor.
Exactly.
Yeah. How was your yoga experience, sir?
It was really good, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.